Time that I'm spending searching for and ordering material is unfortunately time away, that I'm not being productive on the job site. And so to be perfectly honest with you, when we have roughly a billable rate of about $140 an hour for a journeyman electrician, I'm really not all that concerned about comparing the small cost differences of materials between different distributors. My main concern is finding what I need quickly and easily, so that way I can then stop spending time, looking for and ordering material and getting back on the job site. And, again, for larger companies and larger projects, this is especially true, right? We want to make that process of finding and ordering material as quick and as easy as we can. So, right off the bat, as long as prices are reasonable, as long as they seem like it's a fair and good price, then the supply house that gives me the best overall customer experience, and again, to me, that means ease of finding what I need, and I can get it quickly, then that is the distributor that we're going to buy from.